Hi, my name is James Gurney. Welcome to my studio. In this video workshop, I'd like to show you exactly how I paint dinosaurs, using these two oil paintings that I did for Scientific American magazine. I'll take you through all the steps, starting with the research, the thumbnail sketches, the three-dimensional maquettes that I use for giving me realistic lighting and perspective, then the charcoal line drawing, and the final painting. You may use different tools for your process, but I find that these steps are valuable not only for painting realistic dinosaurs, but really any kind of creature that starts out in your imagination. So come on with me and let's get started. Every dinosaur painting begins with the scientist's fieldwork and theories. Scott Sampson of the Natural History Museum in Utah recently discovered several new types of dinosaurs, including the Inosaurus and the Cosmoceratops. With its 15 bizarre bony horns, Cosmoceratops is one of the most highly ornamented of the ceratopsian group of dinosaurs, which are known for their elaborate horns and frills. What did North America look like during the time of these dinosaurs? Now, it's mountainous badlands where the fossils were found. But back then, when ocean levels were higher, everything was different. The eastern United States was partially submerged. Florida was underwater. And a great saltwater sea divided North America in two. In the west was a lost continent known as Laramidia, and it was on these shores that our drama takes place. I begin by sketching up a bunch of thumbnail drawings using water-soluble colored pencils and brush pens. After watching a bunch of videos of modern crocodiles attacking wildebeest, I tried drawing the idea of crocodiles attacking ceratopsians, either on the shores or while they're crossing a river. But the paleontologist Scott Sampson said my bias is to stay away from this croc-attacking dinosaur scenario, as it's been done various times in recent years. So I start over by drawing two male Cosmoceratops locked in a frill-to-frill combat. To get ideas for how they might engage, I watch videos of rutting contests among bison and elk and moose. Perhaps ceratopsians used their headgear for similar battles. Their horns and frills may have had other uses as well, such as attracting a mate or defending from a predator. Those sketches and ideas might be worth drawing too, but Scott Sampson reminds me that the most spectacular thing is not the dinosaurs per se, but the environment, a lush, cypress-dominated swamp environment. But showing a tyrannosaur at the edge of the swamp lurking behind the trees may make dramatic sense, but it means we can't really see the Cosmoceratops up close. So I suggest the idea of bringing the Cosmoceratops closer, and I cut out a paper overlay to put over the other sketch. Now I can use this paper cutout almost like a little puppet to figure out the best position and placement of the pose. And once that's approved, I'm ready to go forward with the armature and the maquette.